All right, imagine this. You're on a train. It's packed. You're shoulder to shoulder with strangers and you open your phone and suddenly you remember that literally everyone around you can see your screen. Now, what if your phone could just say, nope, not today? That's exactly what the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is teasing right now. While most leaks are saying the Galaxy S26 lineup might be more of a refinement over the Galaxy S25 series rather than a dramatic redesign, Samsung might be sneaking in one genuinely interesting upgrade. Not a bigger camera bump, not just faster performance, but something you'll actually use every single day. It's called Privacy Display. Samsung has now teased it again in an official video, and this time it's much clearer what's going on. The idea is simple but kind of genius. When you toggle it on, the display becomes visible only to the person looking at it straight on. Anyone peeking from the side just sees basically nothing. So yes, if you're reading something you probably shouldn't be reading in public, your phone has your back. In the demo, it looks like a simple switch. One tap and the entire screen becomes invisible to side viewers. But based on earlier teasers and some leaked screenshots, this might be way smarter than just an on or off feature. Apparently, you'll be able to customize it. You could hide specific things like notifications, images, picture-in-picture windows, even your lock screen. There's also talk of it automatically activating when you're out in public. So your phone could literally detect that you're not at home and tighten up privacy on its own. Now, we should take the leaked screenshots with a bit of caution. There are typos floating around, inconsistent naming between Privacy Display and Private Display, so clearly this isn't final software. But if the functionality is real, this could be one of those low-key features that completely changes how comfortable you feel using your phone outside. And here's the twist. All signs are pointing to this being exclusive to the Ultra model, which means if you go for the standard Galaxy S26 or the S26 Plus, you might not get it. But privacy isn't the only thing the Ultra is flexing this year. Under the hood, it's expected to run the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. And if history tells us anything, that for Galaxy branding usually means Samsung squeezes a little extra performance out of it. In this case, the Prime cores are rumored to boost slightly higher than the standard variants, up to 4.74 GHz. Early benchmark results are already looking strong. The S26 Ultra is reportedly scoring around 7% higher in Geekbench 6.5 multi-core compared to the OnePlus 15. Single-core performance is right up there with phones like the Honor Magic 8 Pro, Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and even the Red Magic 11 Pro. GPU results in OpenCL are also looking competitive. So even if the design stays familiar, the performance jump combined with this new privacy tech could make the Ultra feel like the true upgrade of the lineup. Samsung is expected to unveil the entire Galaxy S26 series on February 25th, including the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, and there are rumors that the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro might show up as well, which means we're basically days away from finding out whether this privacy display feature is a gimmick, or the next thing every phone copies. Because let's be honest, we've all had that moment where someone next to us is just a little too interested in our screen. So here's the real question. Is a smarter, more customizable privacy screen enough to push you toward the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Or are you waiting for something bigger? Let me know what you actually think. I read way more comments than you probably expect. And if Samsung really pulls this off, this could be one of those features we didn't know we needed until we had it. I'll catch you in the next one.